Hello friends, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Lux and Fashion. So viewers, I am back again with most demanding and most stylish half-shaved undercut short bob haircuts and hairstyle design ideas for beautiful and gorgeous women. Dear viewers, I always try to bring useful content and useful videos about women's latest and trendy fashion ideas. If you are liking my YouTube channel content, then please support me. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and share my videos with your friends if they are looking for a new and trendy haircuts, hairstyles and hair dye ideas. Dear viewers, in this video you will see very beautiful and trendy hair colors, hairstyles and haircut ideas for your beautiful hairs. If you want to change your outlook and want to look stunning, then this video will help you a lot in choosing a stylish and trendy haircut for your beautiful hairs. These days, these beautiful short haircuts are very trendy, as these haircuts are very easy to style and very easy to manage. Office going women should must try these beautiful and stunning half-shaved undercut short bob haircuts and hairstyle. So viewers, in this video I have also shared many ideas about new and trendy hair colors for beautiful hairs. So you should must try this beautiful and trendy hair color to look stylish and attractive. So dear viewers, take care and keep visiting my YouTube channel to get more ideas about latest and trendy haircuts, hairstyles and hair dye.